Hello everyone, today we are going to learn high-end product retouching and color grading. The product is a perfume bottle, so let's get started.
Until one day, a young man catches fire.
Let's start with the cap. First, make a selection around the cap with pen tool so that we can fix the reflection of the cap. I'm using these gradient settings for the effect. You can pause the video and copy the settings for practice. And for the texture, I'm using the metal texture. Just clip the texture to the cap and change its blending mode to color burn. And for the opacity, we can go with the 50%. Yeah.
Get ready for verse 2, electric.
Okay, we're done with the cap. Now we're going to retouch the label. So now, same as before, make a selection on the label with pen tool and whatever tool you're comfortable with. I choose the green contrast color related to the label, like we have. Choose the green color and press Ctrl backspace to fill it. Change the label blending mode to linear burn and opacity will be 50%. The logo is so faded. Let's remove the faded logo and try to replace it with HD logo. To remove the logo, use spot healing brush. Set the logo angle same as the bottle. Not good, right? Let's clean it up with spot healing brush. Speeding up the video because I don't want you guys to get bored.
All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
looks better, I guess.
You meant the world to me.
By pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E, create a new merged layer so we can color grade the retouched photo. Now for the color grading, open Camera Raw filter.
You're never here when I'm in pain. You hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing.
Your color grading always depend where are you taking your pictures, so the settings will be different all the time. So keep doing experiments.
Because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Bet you never know. Say we have the power, but there's things we touch the road. Tell them say we ready, clip them and the cut she load. Shoulda know say we not regular. Anything we ready for. Bet you
And there we go.
never.
If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more packaging designs and Photoshop tips. And do let me know in the comments, should I continue this series or not.
Monkey.